Have you ever tried CNC machining plastic and thought, hey, it's soft and light, should be easier than metal, right? Wrong. Plastics are the emotionally unstable exes of machining, soft on the surface, chaotic inside. Rule 1. Tooling mistake. Don't use your dull steel tools on PTFE or PEEK. That's just bowling. Use sharp, single-flute, high-clearance cutters or else melting fast, jamming. Rule 2. Speed and fit matter. Plastic hates heat. Go slow, it melts. Speed too low, it burns. We recommend over 8,000 RPM and 1,000 mm per minute. We recommend over 8,000 RPM and 1,000 mm per minute to keep things smooth. Rule 3. Cooling right. Water cooling, it warps. Oil cooling is lit. Air blast is the sweet spot, especially with PEEK and nylon, the thermal drama queen. Rule 4. Dust kills. Aluminum makes trips, plastic, snowstorms. Without dust collection, ABS and PC will turn your shop Elsa's castle. In my opinion, plastic processing isn't sculpting. It's like dating. Get the temperature, cooling and fit rates right and it behaves. Mess it up and well, you are in trouble. I'm Kaya, a plastic whisperer at TiRapid. We specialize in CNC machining of tricky engineering plastics, so your production doesn't get ghosted by material drama. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.